In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed and sync your existing Draw.io diagrams right inside Confluence Cloud. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently integrate your diagrams without juggling between apps, making your documentation process smoother and more collaborative. If you've worked with Draw.io before or are just tired of hopping between multiple tools, this method is going to make your life so much easier. Let's dive right in. First up, one of the best updates to Confluence Cloud is that you don't actually need to go directly to Draw.io anymore. The diagramming tool is now fully built into Confluence itself. That means everything you need is right at your fingertips, and you can work within the same space where you write and organize your pages. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want your diagram to appear. In the page editor, simply type a /, then start typing diagram or whiteboard. Confluence will suggest options as you type, so you can just click on despite which you're more used to. Whiteboard is typically what you're looking for now. Think of this as bringing in a big digital whiteboard right into your current page, ready for visuals, plans, process flows, or anything else you'd usually draw in Draw.io. Once you've selected whiteboard, you'll see a few integration options pop up below. You'll notice choices like embed, card, URL, or inline. This might look a little overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the best option for syncing an existing diagram. What you're looking for is embed. The reason we pick embed here is because it allows you to link directly to your existing diagram file. This means any update you make to that source diagram will automatically reflect here, keeping everything in sync. It's much like embedding a live Google Sheet. The data flows straight in, always up to date, never static copy. Click on embed. Now you'll be prompted to provide a link. At this stage, all you need to do is find the shareable link for your current Draw.io diagram. If you've already got the diagram stored somewhere, say in Google Drive, OneDrive, or even your desktop, just grab that link as Draw.io provides it when you hit share in the diagram editor. Copy it and then head back to Confluence. Paste the link into the field provided. Take a moment here to make sure the link is correct. You want the diagram to be accessible, so double-check that you've set sharing permissions properly if it's stored in a cloud drive. This saves you headaches later if teammates need to view or edit it. Once the link is set, hit save. It might take a moment for the diagram to appear, especially if it's a complex one, but don't worry, this is normal, and that's it. Your diagram is now embedded right on your Confluence page, synced, and ready for your whole team to see and interact with. If you update your diagram in Draw.io, those changes will flow right into your Confluence page just like magic. No more uploads and downloads, no double entry. This can save tons of time, especially when you're working on living documentation, planning sessions, or process flows that evolve week to week. If you found this walkthrough helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into any hurdles, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more practical tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming in Confluence.